There's no easier way to give your home an attractive facelift than with the brick staining and services from JQ Brick Repairs and Restoration. From walkways to chimneys to the bricks on your house, our staining services will leave your property with a beautiful new look that you'll enjoy for years to come. Give us a call to learn more about how our brick staining service can give your property the facelift you've been wanting. JQ Brick Repairs and Restoration,